I started studying music from high school.
I was an English teacher back in Iran, and I used to study English translation in college.
খেলাধুলার তো আর চান্স যদি হয় নসিবে থাকে কোনো ক্লাবে তাহলে তো বেস্ট একটা চান্স যদি পাই আমি।
I was studying in New Delhi University and law section.
Because he's good, I don't know. For feeling, if I need something, I go for painting graffiti.
I'm from Afghanistan. I'm a doctor. I have 2 degrees.
Und ich schreibe ein Buch. Aber ich schreibe Persisch.
هر روزم 20 نفر، 30 نفر، 40 نفر.
My father was also musician.
You can just say, it's my wife.
I remember that day when you said to me, you will never leave me alone again. I remember that day when you said to me, you will never leave me alone again. But you did it again.
I like music in general because I started studying music from high school. I studied as a subject, like just not just like a hobby, but I will study it. I can just say it's my wife. Yes, of course, I have my family in Morocco. I have my mother. I have my big sister, I have my little brother, and I lost my father just 1 month ago. Yes, of course, I miss him. I miss too much my father because I lost him, I didn't saw him. Never.
Anyway, as you like.
It is, in fact, a very difficult way. Like, from the first moment when you start this journey, you already know what you will go through. Like, the most difficult thing is not to have any identity and to not be able to do anything legally. And the looks of some people, not all, but some people, just the looks just hurt you. I left everyone back in Iran, like all of my friends, my family, most important, my mom and my sister.
দেশ থেকে তো আসার কারণটাই হলো যে ভালো ফিউচার নাই দেশে, এ কারণে আসছি সুন্দর জীবনযাপনের জন্য ইউরোপিয়ান ইউনিয়নে। এটাই তো সবচেয়ে বড়, যে ইউরোপের যে কোনো দেশে থাকলে ভালো একটা ফিউচার হইবে, এই কারণেই আসে এই দেশে।
I will do that too. I will leave you alone, 'cause it's your choice. I will do what I said.
When I finished the school on that time, my father was also alive. And then I go to India for studies, for university. I was studying in New Delhi University and law section. 2 years I law section. Besides that, I can speak English, Farsi, Urdu, Turkish, and little bit Bosnian. That because I spend this much time in here, so that's why I learn Bosnian also a little bit. So I can speak. We can still speak 6 languages.
What I want, I will leave you alone. Meet you, anyway.
Because this for my heart, I don't know why. I like this. If I need cry, I don't know. I like painting, graffiti. because he's good. I don't know. For feeling, if I need something, I go for painting graffiti. All my feeling for this painting. لا توحش العائلة في كل دقيقة، ماشي كاين بزاف حوايج اللي صراو لك تعرف كيفاه. لا بالنسبة للحراقة ماشي كاملين ملاح وماشي كاملين مش ملاح، في نسبة. كاين هنا أنا تلاقيت في الكامب هذا تلاقيت بزاف من الناس، تلاقيت مهندسين، تلاقيت أطباء، تلاقيت أصدقاء حتى هما عندهم موهبة تاع الرسم، موسيقى، كرة قدم، يعني مو كل المهاجرين يعني مش ملاح.
Anyway, as you like, I will do that too. I will leave you alone, 'cause it's your choice. I will do what I said.
My name is Elmer John. I'm from Afghanistan. I'm a doctor. I have 2 degrees. When I was in Afghanistan, the first degree I graduated from pharmacology, and the second one I forgave in surgery. When I was in Afghanistan, I was an interpreter of the U.S. forces. The result why I left my country, I got in Bosnia, I trained by the Taliban. The Taliban want from me to join as a doctor. In 4 days, I make decision. I get a visa for Iran. I left my country. No economic reason. No. When I got to Sedra, I was in room. That's very bored for me. Just I come to ask the manager of Sedra. I'm a doctor. I introduce myself. I want to help you volunteer. And she told me like, what's your professional? I said, I'm a doctor. I speak Farsi, Pashto, English, Urdu in Germany. And also I learned Kurdi in Sedra. And Sedra, I said like, I'm able to help you as interpreter whenever you want. And they accepted. That was very successful for me. I'm working with IM as a volunteer.
Aber ihr so Leute so gut verstehen Deutsch. 2 Monate, 3 Monate war bin dieses Kurs kostenlos. Ich brauche immer jeden Abend 2 Stunden hier in meinem Kurs, in deutschen Kurs. Lernen ist gut. Und ich schreibe ein Buch. Aber ich schreibe Persisch, ungefähr, das ist Seite und 500 als Lektion, ich habe auch geschrieben. 13 Mal in der Game, aber die Port. Nochmal sagen, was passiert dort, was die Leute, ich sage, bitte sprechen. Alles ist interessiert von mir.
هر روزم 20 نفر 30 نفر اینجام الان 7 ماه اینجام تقریبا 2 ماه به کمک همین آیونم و مسئولین اینجا رو به ما دادن. واسه همه اینایی که اینجا خیلی سختی کشیدن، سختی‌های زیادی کشیدن تا اینجا رسیدن. انشالله با امید خدا هممون رد میشیم. منم شغلم آرایشگری بوده، تو ایران زندگی خوبی داشتم.
And I started playing guitar at maybe I was 14 or 13, and my father was also musician, and I'm making music too, electric music, like making beats. Sometimes I playing guitar and sometimes going to music school and classes. So it's a good hobby for this situation especially, because the situation is not really good, as the life is not good as, you know, everybody. It's not normal life. So the music is the only thing for me that make me relax and make me feel good about the things going on. About 3 years I didn't play anything because I was in not good situation. I didn't have guitar.
when they saw migrants, they are using bad words or they look them in very bad eyes, that you are migrant or this or that. So, you know, there is many things that hurt you too much. Nobody wants to leave his country. You know that very well.
You know, in all the world, there is a bad and good people. So we cannot judge if there is bad or if they are bad or good immigrants. But in the same time, you can find some good and some bad. But almost of them, they are good. So I can tell you 90% of immigrants, they are good, but that 10% they make a bad image for others. So this is a problem.
I just want to live and, you know, to live, to feel alive, to have a job, to have a family in the future, to have my own space, my own safe space.
ما أنا باوي على روحي انكسر قلبي عليا موجوع قلبي وتعب بيا ما أنا باوي على روحي انكسر قلبي عليا.
But we can say like we have too much good people also in here. Like we have Mama Zarifa in here. The woman who is caring about us like their own family, like their own children all the time. Like if we were sick, if we have any problem, she's in here to solve that.
Pošto sam prošla ovaj migrantski put kao osoba iz Srebrenice, ovo je posao koji me ispunjava. Inače volim da pomažem ljudima, a nisam ni sanjala da ću ovoliko uživati radeći ovaj plemenit, ali i veoma težak posao.
طيبني وادري طيبي والحال وصلني.
And also in this period, some few days before when I came back from Bihaj in here, I didn't know about that my mom also passed like 1 month ago. But my family members didn't tell me anything else about her. After 1 week, I heard that she also died. And now like I have nobody in my life. Father died, mom also died. And now the main and the only thing that I'm thinking about is like, for me it doesn't matter if I'm in Bosnia, if I'm in Serbia, if I'm in Europe, anywhere. It doesn't matter to me. I just want to have like a normal life, to be like a normal person, to work somewhere, to have a family, to have a home and these kind of things. Because I lost my whole family members home, and I have nobody.
The reason why I want to arrive to Europe as all immigrants for better life, you know. We are just searching for, we are just looking for freedom and for hope of life.
موجوع قلبي وتعب بيا ما أنا باوي على روحي انكسر قلبي عليا كل يوم صدمة أقوى من اللي بليا ما أنا باوي على روحي انكسر قلبي عليا تعبان وجهي ودموعي قهرتني دنيا شلت حالي وبحياتي كرهتني كرهت الحب بريده دمرني طيبني وادري طيبي والحامي غصني وجوع قلبي وتعب بيا ما أنا باوي على روحي اتكسر كان جه عليا